In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Shopify store to a previous state in 2025. Whether you're looking to revert your store theme or need to bring back data from a specific point in time, this guide will provide a clear and comprehensive walkthrough to help you get things back on track. Let's start by talking about how you can revert to a previously used theme within your Shopify store. First, you'll want to access your Shopify dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Online Store section and click on Themes. Here, you'll find your theme library, where all your previously used themes are stored. It's like a collection of all the themes you've tried out before, safely tucked away for future use. When you're ready to roll back to a previous design, simply select the desired theme from your library and hit Publish. By doing so, this theme will become active on your store, and any current theme you're using will be moved back into the library. This allows you to experiment with different looks and feel and conveniently return to a tried-and-true design whenever needed. If your needs go beyond just the theme, perhaps you need to restore specific bits of data, like products or collections, or even a full store version, you'll want to consider using a backup app. A popular choice among Shopify users is Rewind Backups. To get started, you'll first need to install this app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, open it from your Shopify admin dashboard. Inside, you'll be able to choose the precise data you want to restore, be it products, collections, or themes. You also have the flexibility to select a date to which you'd like to revert. After making your choices, simply click on Restore Items to initiate the process. This action will roll back the selected data to your specified time. Plus, many backup apps give you the option to create a fresh backup post-restoration, ensuring you're covered moving forward. In cases where your Shopify store has been deactivated, there's still hope to get everything back online. Begin by logging in with your previous credentials. Upon entering your account, you'll need to verify your details as part of the reactivation process. If it's within 2 years of deactivation, Shopify should retain your store data, allowing you to restore everything effectively. Once verified, you'll have the choice to pick a new plan or continue with the one you had before. An important note: after reactivation, don't forget to reconnect your domain to ensure your store's visibility to your customers. And there you have it, a seamless approach to restoring your Shopify store, whether it's a theme, data, or a whole store that needs attention. By following these steps, you can confidently bring your store back to its desired state and keep your business moving smoothly. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.